Now this is question number 4. That is, A is the point, 1 5, B is the point. Okay, find the midpoint. Oh, that's again a very simple question. Here you have 1 5, this is A, and this is B. Here you have 3 comma 9, and midpoint will be here. Okay, this is 1 plus 3 by 2 comma 5 plus 9 by 2. We know that x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So we got 2 comma 7. Now find the equation of line that is perpendicular to AB and passes through the point. Oh, that's fine. This is perpendicular equation. The midpoint is 2 comma 7, as we know. We can find gradient of line AB, that is m1. I have considered m1, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 5 over 3 minus 1, that's 2. Now m2 is m1, m2 is minus 1. We know that when two lines are perpendicular, then the multiplication of gradient will always give us minus 1. So 2 times m2 equals minus 1. So m2 is minus half. So this has gradient minus half. Okay, that is m2, or you can say gradient. Now equation of any line is y equals mx plus c. So y m is minus half plus c. Now this line is passing through this point 2 comma 7. So just put y as 7, x is 2, and this is, you can take this side. So 7 plus, actually this is 1, so c is 8. Just put c over there. You will get y equals minus x over 2 plus 8. So this is my equation of line, which is minus x over 2, y is minus x over 2 plus 8. Okay, great. The position vector of P is given. You know, position vector of P means OP, right? OP is minus 2 and 3. Position vector of Q means OQ, minus 2, 5. That's great. Now find the position vector of PQ. Sorry, find the vector of PQ. So we can write PQ as OQ minus OP. So actually I should have written here PQ as OQ minus OP. And OQ is minus 2, 5. OP is this, minus 2, minus minus plus 2, 5 minus 3. So this is 0, 0, 2. Very simple. R is the point such that find the position vector of R. So position vector of R means OR, right? And that I can assume here it should be written as OR and OP. This is OR, this is OR, right? It should be written OR. Okay, so let us do that. PR is OR minus OP, and this is 3PQ. OP you can take to that side. So 3PQ plus OP. Now 3PQ already we found 0, 2, and OP means minus 2, 3. That's given. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, very simple. C part, that says OT from this vector is T, this vector is U, and OY, UY, okay, UY is 2. Okay guys, UY, right, UY over YT, right, UY over Y2, that is 2. So 2 means 2 over 1. So this ratio is 2 over 1. That's great. Now find OY. Okay, find OY. We can follow this path and this path. Okay, so how can we find OY, guys? Let us understand. Here I have shown. Okay, OY is OU plus UY. You can check here. Now OU we have U, but UY we don't have. U to Y we don't have. But U to Y we can get. U to Y is 2/3 of UT. Here you can check. UY is 2 over 3 UT. But UT also we don't have. So for UT we can follow this path. Minus U plus T. You can check here. So now if we have UT, UY is 2 over 3 UT. So 2 over 3 minus U plus T. Now OY is OU plus UY. So UY from here we will write U plus 2 over 3 minus UT. So U can be written as 3U over 3. Denominator is same, 3U minus 2U plus T. 3U minus 2U. So this is the answer. We can write 1 over 3 U plus T. Okay, great. Now Z is on OT where YZ is parallel. Okay, Z is on OT where YZ is parallel to OU. So somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. then only these two can be parallel. So Z can be here. Now we have to find, I think, OZ. We have to find this OZ, right? Only this. So, but we don't have this ratio. You know, in a triangle, guys, if these two lines are parallel, and if this parallel line divides one side in the ratio, suppose L ratio M, then this side also it will be L ratio M. So this is 2 ratio 1, it will be also 2 ratio 1, right? Now we have to find OZ vector. So OZ will be 2/3 of OT. Yes or no? OZ will be 2/3 of OT. So OT is U. OT is T, sorry. OT is T. So 2/3 OT. So OZ is 2/3 T. Okay. Solve the simultaneous equation. It's a very simple question, guys. X plus 2y 13, 2y this side, 13 minus 2y, just put it over here, 13 minus 2y plus 5y, add them together, 3y, move 13 to right side, 3y is 9, y is 3. Now x equals, so we found y, now just put y here, y equals 3, 13 minus 2 times 3, that is 7. So guys, x is 7, y is 3. Now y equals 2 minus x, and y equals x square plus 2x plus 2. So just put this y here, substitution method. So this y became 2x minus 2 minus x, and x square plus 2x plus 2. Now shift to this side, shift to this side. So guys, this is x square. Okay, this is x square, and this is 2x. If you move this minus x to right side, plus x, and 2 and 2 cancel. 2x plus x, 3x. Now x take common, x plus 3, x is 0, or x plus 3 0, x is 0, x is minus 3 if we shift this side. Okay, so now we have to find y also. So when x is 0, just put 0 here, 2 minus 0, which is 2. And when x is 3, just put x is 3 here. So 2 minus of minus 3, which is 2 plus 3, 5. So when x is 0, y is 2, and when x is minus 3, y is 5.